Hey beauties, my name is Jamini and welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, you're so very welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. Welcome to a new vlog, guys. Like, comment and subscribe, share a comment, share the video itself. So I'm starting a new video, starting a new vlog. It is Saturday. I'm just not going to record too much. I just wanted to open the video for this week. I'm on a roll actually. I'm recording quite a lot. I have a sit down that's recorded, and I'm going to be uploading the previous vlog for Sunday. So yeah, I think moving into doing 2 videos a week is what I'm going towards, but let me not say too much because it ends up spoiling my plan, so it's okay. Starting off the weekend, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm making myself some food, just warming something up before I step out, but yeah, let's enjoy the video. Oh, outfit check. This is my outfit, my linen pants, Nike sneakers, and the jersey that I have. Monochromatic, nice look, easy going. Let's have a great vlog. Beauties, I haven't spoken to you in a while. This is some BTS for my video that I want to record before I go to the office. I woke up early, I was diligent, I'm focused. I'm really putting in efforts to my videos, and I think I'm gonna try and stick to a certain niche of sit-down videos. I do enjoy style, I do enjoy clothes, so why not talk about it? So that's what I'm doing. I've just done my makeup and just waiting for a bit of sunlight to come in, but yeah, it shouldn't take me long to record. But yeah, I'm so excited for this, and I hope that you guys enjoy it as well. Yeah, I'm putting in the efforts. Lord knows I want this channel to pop. Okay, so I'm making the efforts. This is what I'm wearing my green pants. I think it looks good with this. I'm gonna go try. I washed my coat last night, so I'm hoping that it's dry, but let me show you at the set. So the backdrop is going to be my bed. I always see like Alia's face and other YouTubers recording in their rooms, and I'm gonna just put the lights on. It does look nice with the lights on. And then I lost my tripod, guys. There's another issue that I'm going through. I lost my tripod, that's why I'm holding you guys, but there is another stand that I have that I'm going to use. But yeah, we're gonna do a styling video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me do that, and then we will go to work. So beauty, this is my look for today. Brought out my green pants because I'm just like, we're not ever gonna wear these pants, so they still work in winter. I think these colors go. The little French tuck here. Am I a millennial without a peace sign and a French tuck? Absolutely not. I really think I love it. That on my jacket is a little bit dry, but okay. It's a romance. Ooh, love it. Let me take a picture and go. Guys, my car needs to go to service in a couple of days. We are already another year around the car universe. I recorded my video, everything went well, but now I need to get my audio on my Google Drive, which is so tricky and difficult right now because I'm using my old phone and iPhone shame. Today I'm going to go get my measurements done for my dress before I buy the material, because the gentleman said I must buy my own material, so I just want to know how much material I should get. Shout out to having a partner, because I didn't think about this myself, so shout out to having people who help you thought process. But let me go to work. We'll catch up tomorrow. We'll catch up in the next clip. Sorry.
If all else fails.
Oh wow. We have a backup. Ooh. Sorry? Okay.
This is
So guys, I'm on my way to the appointment just to get measured. Hopefully he can direct me to where he gets his material, so I could kill two birds with one stone. But then I also have to go towards Pretoria. Hopefully I don't get stuck in traffic. And I forgot to keep meat for me to cook, so this is jivini. I don't know what I'm gonna do, and I thought of it but I forgot. But yeah, good day. Let me go so that I don't get stuck in any traffic, and at least I'll be in the Midrand area. I'll be halfway to Pretoria. But yeah, let's enjoy the day. Oh guys, I also recorded the video I told you in the morning. I think it's gonna come out really good. I'm excited about it, so please do watch. I'm gonna try to keep them very short and straight to the point and not waste your time, but I've really elevated the quality. Guys, oh, that's him over there. Oh, okay, thank you. I was gonna go up and down. Thank you. Alright, so he actually didn't physically measure me. I guess he has that professional eye, and I hope I don't regret that and get material or more material than needed. But yeah, I'm gonna go towards Pretoria now. I'm gonna go towards Pretoria, see if I can get to one of the fabric stores he recommended and check for fabric there before I go to my cousin's. But yeah, not too bad. It was quick, in and out, very in and out.
Hi. Hi. How are you?
Where's your YouTube channel? What's the name of your YouTube channel?
Londa Sabisi.
Ooh, okay.
How many views do you have?
200.
Oh, 200
like
views.
that.
Nice. And subscribers, how many?
4.
Oh, wow.
Your channel is growing.
Hey beauties, good good morning. I started my work day, and yeah, I'm also making some jungle oats downstairs. Yeah, I can smell it now. I just need to run down and check on it. But yeah, yesterday I went to look for the material. I should have just gone to Centurion, and I went to like Pretoria. It was so far, oh my god. But it's fine. I got some material for the top, but I'm looking for a pleated skirt at the bottom. There's like a girl whose inspo I'm definitely gonna copy and paste. I think it looks really, really nice. But now I'm just in search for that pleated material, and then we can finalize that look. But yeah, there's a certain look I'm going for, but at least I've found what I want, exactly what I want, and hopefully they're able to deliver on that. And what's exciting is that we're watching Being Mary Jane. Like, finding it in my 30s is really, really interesting because, you know, now I can relate. Before, even from like I didn't know brand names when I was watching Being Mary Jane. Well, how old were we? Late teens, maybe early to, I don't know, but I was still young. I still didn't know certain things. So now I'm watching them like, oh yeah, okay, Mary Jane was the girl, because I didn't even recognize a Porsche. I didn't even recognize that she was driving a Porsche. Okay, I'm looking at is it Cara and her Cartier bracelets. It's just so interesting and funny that now I'm like aware of these things. Like, oh, okay, they were making it, they were doing it. But it's really nice, so nice to rewatch it. So we're watching that, and just excited to continue binging on it. But yeah, let me continue with working, stop rambling. It's not that cold today, but I still will just go sit outside and get some sun. But let's catch up possibly tomorrow, and so that we can wrap up the vlog. Thank goodness. So this is the quick outfits I've put together for today. Quite simple. It is a very cold day today. Very, very cold. I did my boots, guys. This is a sad story. My boots, I need new boots. I really do, but I'll wear them looking at this state. But the reason why I'm so dressed up is because I have to go to the office because my laptop is just not responding. So that's what I need to go do. And then after work, also just grab some late lunch, I guess. So yeah, let's go. I think I did a good job with my lace. Let me put powder on it. I'll put powder on my lace. But let me take some pictures and then I can step out. At least it's just after traffic time. So yeah. What is up with white people and shorts in winter? Guys, it's the coldest day of ever since winter started. He's in shorts, okay? We are at Time on Nickel. I've never been here before. I think I've seen it on someone's YouTube before. But we're just gonna have our late lunch and enjoy. today, guys. I'm making myself some breakfast and I've just done the laundry. I have the second load running. Hopefully I'll still have a bit of sun because I woke up a little bit later. But yeah, it is bok season now. So my color is a little representative of South Africa and the bokke. There is one game that's playing today. I'm not sure if we're gonna go or I'm gonna get ditched, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I just want to make myself some breakfast and just close out the video. It is gonna be a little bit of a short one. I know you guys really like long vlogs, but yeah, like I've explained, my resources don't allow for that right now, and it's only because the vlog accumulates a lot of different clips, so that's why a sit down can be long but a vlog can't, unfortunately. But yeah, let me make some food and then we can close out the vlog. Hey guys, so my breakfast is done. I'm about to devour, but let me just close out the vlog. I really want to thank you guys so much for watching and all your support. I am starting with my fashion or styling video, so I hope that you get into that and enjoy it as well. But yeah, I think it's been a really good week. I watched a really nice series, a limited series yesterday, Baby Farm. I think just well executed, really great work over there. It was so nice. I really enjoyed it. But yeah, just bringing out a lot of issues in Africa with, you know, bribery and the West being able to come in and do whatever they please and with no consequence. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, I think we've had a really, really great week work-wise. Things are well. I'm not gonna go. I'll look for the rest of the material next week because it's a little bit late now. I don't think they'll be open, but yeah, I'm excited to show you guys what that's gonna look like. But please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, to tell a friend that Spatula has a channel. Let's catch up next week, and yeah, have a great one.